how do companies deal with corona as it increases in amplitude, as we go back again in lockdowns, and what do we do? If you think your company is not going to give you 100% salary during lockdowns, and you think the company is doing it to make more profit or to make a fool out of you, you are absolutely in the wrong company. Please quit and find a new job for yourself. Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Truth Shots with Kapil. It's a very somber environment in India right now. The rising number of corona cases, the shortage of medicines, the shortage of oxygen, the shortage of hospital beds, it's just disastrous everywhere we look right now. And earlier in the first wave of corona, this problem was restricted to specific metros where the health infrastructure and all is better. Now it is in every small city, every small town of India. And it's a huge problem. While I can talk more about those issues, today I want to specifically focus on a subject which is very close to my heart, which is how do organizations, how do companies such as myself, how do we deal with corona as it increases in amplitude, as we go back again in lockdowns, and what do we do? And I first want to talk about a balancing act, a real balancing act that we all need to look at very closely. On one side, you could come up and say during such times companies need to be more favorable to employees, give full salary to people even though they are not able to work, or even though they are working from home, or something else is happening. On the other side, I have a reverse aspect to it as well. Well, as a company, if the business is struggling, everything is struggling. Okay. We as a company have always maintained and always worked on a philosophy that whatever profit that we earn, for the most part, I'm not saying everything, we are not a not-for-profit company, we are definitely a for-profit organization. But whatever we make, for the most part, it goes out to the various employees, the various people who are associated with the company. In that sense, in the current environment, if things are not working as well, I expect that the employees, and I'm not just talking about my company, I'm talking about in general, should also be willing to come up and should also be willing to, call it sacrifice a little. For us, in the last lockdown in 2020, we ensured, because we were able to, because we had, savings and all we had stored over the years, we were able to provide 100% salary to everybody. And we did that. We did that for a good 3-4 months while the lockdown was going on. This year, I don't think I have the ability to do that. I don't think I would be able to provide everybody with 100% salary if they are either not able to do work or even if they are working from home. And I think, so here is how I look at everything. If you, and I'm saying this to all the people who are employees in any company, if you think your company is not going to give you 100% salary during lockdowns, and you think the company is doing it to make more profit or to make a fool out of you, you are absolutely in the wrong company. Please quit and find a new job for yourself. However, if you are in a company where you think the company is doing it because they need to take care of the balancing act, because like me, I think if I provide people with equal salary, with 100% salary right now, 2 months from now, I will probably need to fire some of them. If you work in such kind of a company and you truly believe that the environment is such that the company probably is not able to afford to give you 100% salary, I request everybody to be more helpful, everybody to do their own contribution and to accept if there is a policy that the company comes up with. Now, I'm not recommending this for every company, I'm not recommending this for every employee, but from my side, and we put something around on social yesterday and a lot of people came up with the backlash saying, how can you do this? You need to be more employee focused. Well, my question is, isn't it that the employees by themselves would incur lesser costs right now because we are in a lockdown? Because they don't have to travel, because they don't have to order food from outside while they are what they used to do while they were in office. So there are multiple aspects, multiple ways to look at it. For us, I think what we have decided is we will take a call on how much deductions we do, what do we do, how do we deal with it once things go back to normal. And there is a strong possibility we will distinguish between people who were working from home or people who were working from office. I think we all, as employees, as employers, and as everyone, we all need to do our bit. It can't be left up to the employers to do their bit of contribution to ensure they take care of everybody the way they used to, even if it is unaffordable. I don't think I want to get into a situation where I have to lay off even a single employee because there is corona. I think that will be more disastrous for our economy. I think that will be more disastrous for people that have trusted in me, or that have worked for me. So for me, I would take a call to hold off on some money from people, to ensure that I'm not in a position where I have to lay off people, and to ensure that we manage things well. And I am so glad that so far I have received full support from my company, from every employee that has worked for me. And I really congratulate them to come forward and to provide this level of support. Well, there is a lot more that we could talk about in this, but I guess instead of me talking about it, I would really appreciate if you would come back, share your thoughts on it, and we can have a dialogue, a conversation in the various comments around on social media as it gets shared. With that, we come to an end of this episode of Truth Shots with Kapil. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of yourself, decide for yourself. For me, I decided that I want my freedom, I love my independence, so I will not stay home during the lockdown. But as I have always said, it's a freedom of choice. Decide for yourself, do what you think is right for you, do what you think is right for people around you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.